How can I reset my voicemail password if I forgot it?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to reset your voicemail password if you happen to forget it. We've all been there, and luckily, the process is quite straightforward. So, let's jump right in and get you back on track.
Contacting your service provider.
The first step is to contact your service provider. Since voicemail systems and password reset procedures can vary between providers, it's best to reach out to them directly. You can typically find their contact information on their website or on your billing statement.
Verifying your identity.
Once you're in touch with your service provider's customer support, they will ask you to verify your identity. This is an important security measure to ensure that only authorized individuals can access your voicemail account. You may be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, phone number, and perhaps some account-related details.
Requesting password reset.
Once your identity has been confirmed, you can then request a password reset for your voicemail account. The customer support representative will guide you through the necessary steps to complete this process. This may involve providing additional security information or answering security questions that you have previously set up.
Creating a new password.
After your request for a password reset is accepted, you will be prompted to create a new password for your voicemail account. It's important to choose a strong, unique password that is not easily guessable. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance the security of your password.
Testing your new password.
Once you have created your new password, it's a good idea to test it immediately. Dial your voicemail number from your phone and enter your new password when prompted. This will ensure that the password reset was successful and that you can access your voicemail messages without any issues. And there you have it. You now know how to reset your voicemail password if you forget it. Remember, if you ever find yourself in this situation, don't panic. Simply contact your service provider, verify your identity, request a password reset, create a strong new password, and test it to ensure everything is working smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Take care, and have a great day.